Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an advanced notebook on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to My Notebooks right at the bottom in the middle. And here we can click on the new. Now let's click Advanced Notebook. And here click Save, but first give it the notebook name. So I'll just type whatever, doesn't matter. Let's click save, and as you guys can see, now let me switch it to this little position, and here we will have tutorials on how to do that. So as you guys can see, hello, and double tap to convert to text. So let me try it. I don't think that works pretty well. Oh, never mind, it does. So as you guys can see, I can type anything, double tap it, and it should be as a text here. So that's basically how it all works, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.